Are you looking for making money online opportunities but just don't know how? Watching my video right now won't earn you a dime, but my video will teach you how to make money online watching other videos. You can easily make $50 in just 1 hour, and if you watch for 2 hours, you can earn $100. Beginners can totally make money online with this method that I'm going to share with you today, which is absolutely free to do and available to all of you worldwide. If you really want to make this work, I highly suggest that you watch all the way till the end of this video so you can follow all the steps closely. It won't take much of your time anyway. A 9-minute informative video is definitely better than scrolling endlessly on your phone. So keep your eyes peeled for all the crucial steps, and by the end of the video, you'll be well equipped to make an easy $50 per hour just by watching videos. Before we go further, welcome back to the Online Money Girl channel. This is your online money girl, and I teach beginners all over the world how to make money online the easy way. If you find value in my video, give it a big thumbs up and let us know in the comments what kind of online money making ideas you would like us to feature next time. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you'll always be in the loop whenever a new video is uploaded. So, let's get started. First of all, I want to let you know that you can get paid every 15 seconds on this website. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find pages and pages of payment proofs that are sent out to hundreds of members. The amounts vary because there are various tasks you can do and they have different corresponding amounts. If you'd like to check it out, go to swingbox.com. To date, they have already paid out about $23,000 to over 138,000 registered members. Now, let's talk about how to make money online by watching videos on this website as well as other ways. In fact, there are 5 ways you can earn money here. You can, number 1, view ads. Just by clicking ads daily, you can get up to $0.03 per click. Next is through Clix Grid. That's number 2, where you can win up to $1,000 directly into your account, but I'll save that for later. The third way is to watch videos. Yes, you can watch YouTube videos and get paid for that. Another way, that's number 4, is to complete offers. When you do, you earn points and can cash it out later. The last on the list, which is number 5, is the affiliate system. When you refer new members, you multiply your earnings. When your referral upgrades their plan, you get $20 per upgrade. If you have any questions or concerns, Swingbox has a professional support team that could address your queries. You can find questions from members in the FAQ page and the members forum as well. Now, let me walk you through how to earn easy money just by watching videos. First, click the Register Account link on the upper right corner. You'll find a simple registration page where you create your account details. Your name, username, email, and password are all that's needed. You also need to confirm your payment preference. They support Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, Skrill, and AirTM. Once you've registered, you'll immediately be directed to your dashboard where you get an overview of everything. Viewing ads through Swingbox is simple enough. You'll be promoted with a selection of ads in 5 categories: fixed ads, standard ads, daily ads, micro ads, and light swing ads. There's not much difference between these, but it is recommended that you go for micro ads as they only take an average of about 10 to 20 seconds to watch, and then you get paid for it. As you can see at the bottom of each advert, there's a monetary value. The fixed ads are $0.0005 and take 10 seconds to view. The standard ads are $0.005 but takes 20 seconds to view. That may not seem much, but remember that the video ads are not longer than 20 seconds, so it doesn't really hurt to watch it. Quick bonus tip, you can mute the video while playing it and watch another one in another tab. That way, you can multiply your earnings and you don't actually have to watch all of the ads. If you're really active online and can refer a lot of people, you can maximize your earning potential through the referral points and points contest. Each time you view an ad, click on a swing grid box, post on the forum, or get a direct referral, you'll earn points. The points contest winner is the person who has accumulated the most number of points. Depending on whether your points have come from referrals, determines which contest it goes towards. All points are cashed out as a prize. If you're getting value from this video, give it a big thumbs up so YouTube will suggest it to more people and they can benefit from it as well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll always know whenever a new video is up. Okay, back to business. Another way to earn is through Clix Grid. The only thing you need to do is choose a grid square in an image. It pretty much works the same way as view ads because you still have to watch a sponsor's advertisement for 10 seconds. After a few seconds, you'll be notified if you've won, and you can easily make $5, $1, or $0.50. It is also possible to win more if you keep trying, but if you've used up all your 25 chances, you will have to wait for the next day to play again. Here's an interesting thing about Swingbucks. Please pay close attention here. This isn't a requirement, but if you want to earn much more and faster, you can invest a small amount in upgrading your membership. As a premium member, you would have a greater chance of winning on Clix Grid because you'll have 50 chances per day to play the game. The timer of the advertisement that you're viewing also depends on your membership type. If you're viewing as a standard member, you will need to wait 10 seconds before the timer will expire. However, if you're viewing as a premium member, you only need to wait for 5 seconds. A premium member also has the option to rent referrals. When you do this, you'll get all the benefits of having referrals without actually reaching out to people. That's a sure way to make money online for beginners. Now, you may ask, do I have to invest in order to get paid? The short answer is no. You do not have to invest in order to get paid. But if you upgrade your membership and rent referrals, you will earn much more and faster. And because I want you to get it right and really make money online, here are the do's and don'ts when you're on Swingbucks, so keep your eyes peeled. First of all, as a user, you may only have one account. If you attempt to create more than one account, it will lead to termination of all of them as they can recognize the device's IP address. If you forgot your login details, do not try to create a new account. Just email them so they can help you log in. Next, please use authentic information. If you're caught using a fake name or address, it could lead to your account being suspended. To keep your account active, members must log in at least once per 30 days. Accounts that are inactive will be reset, which means all the accumulated points and balance will be lost. It will not be deleted though, but if you want to reactivate your account, you will have to email the support team. Lastly, avoid any kind of auto-click software as it is prohibited. It could lead to account termination and forfeiture of all your account balances. Swingbucks is a nice way to make money online, especially if you're a beginner. If you have lots of time to spare, you can make easy money online by watching videos. Better yet, maximize your earnings by taking advantage of their offers like points and referrals. If you have tried making money through Swingbucks, let us know in the comments about your experience and give a tap on that like button if you like similar money-making contents. And if you've made it this far and not already subscribed, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always be up to date on how to make money online. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next money-making video.